guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the ADIDAS, MITA and OFFSPRING ZX8000. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers. I know it's been a long time, but we're back. Show us some love. We'll try and reply back to you down below. So today we've got a sneaker review of a three-way collaboration between ADIDAS and two, in my opinion, of the most important sneaker boutiques, sneaker shops you'll find in the world, with MITA sneakers from Tokyo and OFFSPRING in London. So let's get looking at the box. So this is a three-way collab. Can't really tell, there's no subtle branding of each sneaker store, but you got the consortium, a way in which these two sneaker stores met, which I will get into the stories in a bit, and it is related with the respect is mutual. So before we get unboxing, we'll look at this sizing, and we've got the ZX8000, the MITA OFFSPRING collaboration in the UK size 8, it's a US 8.5, and it's a European 42. So as I mentioned, it's part of the consortium. ADIDAS logo right here, it's great subtle box, and it's different when you open it as well. It's still attached, which is pretty cool. But here are the sneakers. Bang, here they are, clean. Could wear it with anything, and you can have other colors of laces as well. Lift this up. So before I get into the details of this sneaker, I'm going to mention how this collaboration came to be. So back a couple years ago during the ADIDAS Consortium Cup, where the winner got to make their own exclusive ADIDAS silhouettes, you had sneaker stores from all over the world competing each other with different silhouettes. Round by round, it was a knockout competition until there was one winner, and that winner was OFFSPRING. However, the first round was MITA and OFFSPRING, and the sneaker that they were pitted against each other was the Samba. The votes were so close that OFFSPRING narrowly won that first round, and the respect was seen with each other. So that is how those two sneaker the sneaker stores came to be. The respect was mutual, and they combined their efforts together on this gorgeous ZX8000, which is probably one of the best runners that ADIDAS has, in my opinion. So for those that don't know, as I mentioned before, OFFSPRING were the eventual winners of the Consortium Cup, and they eventually did their own Oswego, or it's like Oswego. It's I'm gonna get killed because I know there's who designed it, he's gonna kill me, but it was part of Oswego, and I forgot what the other, it's part of Response, forgive me. So it's part of Response. So Aman, if you're watching this, and we know that you are, I think I got it right. If I didn't, let me know in the comments below. But forgive me, my memory got a bit hazy. So they got their own silhouettes, they made that, and that was the winning sneaker. So OFFSPRING, there we go. They're a London boutique, founded in 1996, probably the most household name in UK sneaker scene. And then you have MITA sneakers, and they are synonymous with sneakers in Tokyo. Obviously you have Atmos, but you also have MITA sneakers. And every time I find myself in Tokyo, I try my best to go to Ueno, which is, it's like the seafood marketplace, and that's where you'll find MITA sneakers. It's a little hidden away store, and what's really recognizable about it is that they have fences, and that's what houses the shoes, like it's on the shelves there. And that's how I always remember it. Those two sneaker stores combine their efforts together to give this really dope London Tokyo feel on the sneaker. So let's get into the details. So starting with the outsole, you have your typical ZX8000 outsole, obviously with the torsion plate for the support and stability. And on the left, you have the MITA sneakers logo there. And on the right, you have the Offspring smiley face. Looking at the midsole, so you have a foam midsole all around in this black colorway, and just part of the torsion support as well. You can see in that white on the medial side. And the upper, so just like rainy London, so it rains in Tokyo as well. So that is why the colorway is in this gray. It's a clean cut with cuts of suede. The mesh itself is a little bit, I'd say, silver. And then you have the hits of the ostrich leather. You can find it here. It's been used before in previous collaborations with ADIDAS from Offspring. You can see in the ZX8000 that was released a couple of years back. And then you have your details on the tongue as well. You got foam tongue, and on the lace lock you have ADIDAS Offspring on the right and ADIDAS MITA sneakers on the left. Just to go back as well with the little details that you'll find, again, going back to what MITA is recognizable for is that silver fence. So you can see like little bits of the influence right here on the lace lock, on the tongue. And then just to go back to previous models of Offspring. So Offspring have used the £1 note as parts of their inspiration. And you can kind of see that coloring there on the free stripe on the medial and the lateral side of the sneaker. And again, just to go back to those streets in Ueno in Tokyo, at the fish market, you got those cage just to reminisce on that silver fence that you can see right here on the heel cage. And again, it was used on the previous ZX8000 from Offspring. They kind of did like a netted layer underneath the cage. At the back, you have a thread of the handshake that's knitted on. And on the pull tab, it's on the inside, you can clearly see the Offspring and MITA logos there as well. And just to go back to inspiration, so in an unused photo shoot with MITA sneakers, there was a ZX8000 that was again unused, and that's where you can find that inspiration for the insole. It's right there for the coloring. So it's hence the blue and the yellow coloring of the sneakers. It's like these little nods to that heritage ZX8000 look back in the early 90s. So glad that we got a pair to review for you guys. At the time of this recording, I think there's some sizes that are available at the Offspring website. And if you're in Japan watching this, hello, shout out to all our fans from Japan. I think there are pairs in MITA sneakers as well. Don't hold me to that. I did check, but that was prior to recording this video. So forgive me if I'm wrong, sumisei. But yeah, honestly, one to add to the collection. Obviously, Offspring have also done the Nike Thunder. Would love a pair. So if anyone from Offspring, if they're watching, and we know that you are, help your boys out. But this is a great sneaker to add to the collection. Great for you ADIDAS heads, and I know that you guys are watching. Great to add to your collection. And in my opinion, it's one of the best runners on the market. This is ZX8000. Can't wait to try this on. Roll that footage of me trying these on for you. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Adidas fit. When it comes to Adidas, I wear a UK size 8, which is European 42, and these fit perfect. They're not too tight, they're just how I like it, like Goldilocks. They look so dope on. I think that they're very versatile and they can go with anything. I'm currently wearing some cargo Uniqlo joggers. Hopefully, I think you can still get them. Check it out. If anyone from Uniqlo is watching this, show some love in the comment section below, just to say its availability, and you know, throw your boys something as well. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. For me, I think this is a sleeper hit for Sneaker of the Year 2025. I mean, where else can you get a three-way collaboration between two sneaker giants in the world even? You know, you've got London being represented, Tokyo being represented, two of my favorite cities in the world. I know they're yours as well. Sorry if you're from New York, but it's the truth, let's be honest. Again, I want to thank our subscribers. Thank you. Keep up to date with us. Follow us on TikTok, on Instagram. You know the deal. Till next time, peace.